Officer, I don't know how I ended up in the skate park. I went over the fence. And then you end up in the Detroit River. Then I wind up back.
Holy cow!
And hold on to it so you don't blow away.
That's about it. I wonder what the wind gusts are at.
You still got your dial-up number?
Holy! It just missed that car too. It's like right in front of that car. Wow.
That probably happened.
You guys picked a good day to come home.
Yeah.
You were getting ready to come home. You should have stayed waiting for Ohio. It took it right out of the ground. It lifted it right out of the ground. Oh my God.
Wow.
That was on the house.
Yup. Right on top of their house.
That is just plain scary. Hopefully nobody was hurt elsewhere.
Wow. Another tree down. Cars coming?
Somebody would be seen and drive here.
Oh wow.
They're gonna have fun cleaning that mess up.
I might have to walk over there and then. That tree split right down on the house in the garage. I don't think it's the one in her yard. I think it's the one in the other yard. Oh, Elaine is going to be so